Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here doing another video for you guys. We are starting the new year off right. Currently, January 2025. I am sure a lot of you out there watching this video are trying to come into the new year great, and you have made some great New Year's resolutions for yourself. And this video is going to be a video that I consider to really help you stay in line and keep those New Year's resolutions intact, because currently we're making this video January 2025. If you're watching this video for the very first time, I do definitely encourage you to go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. That way you can see me on YouTube way more often. So in today's video, we are going to be speaking about the top mistakes that newbie investors inside of the cryptocurrency market make that wound up wrecking them, fully destroying them, and at the end of the year, after they took the time to set all of these different New Year's resolutions, they're kind of back to square one at the end of the year. So now I want to kind of lay out some things that I learned along the way inside of my journey, my 6-year journey inside of investing into cryptocurrencies and also day trading within the industry as well. So since I want to make sure that you're able to keep your full year in 2025 intact, we're going to fully speak about some of the mistakes that newbie investors make inside of the cryptocurrency industry. Now, I am going to list a few different things out here, and it is just solely based upon, my experiences. In the last 4 years, I've also been, tutoring different people, having mentorships, conversations, consultations, everything like that. So over the last 4 years, I've probably spoke to hundreds of different people, and this is also a combination of stories that I've heard from them while on those consultation calls, right? So now you have a lot of newbies that come in, and I am not sure why they became under the impression that they didn't have to do their research. I am a true believer that before you go out and buy any different cryptocurrency altcoin, like there had to have been some different knowledge build up before you even came into the cryptocurrency industry and bought Bitcoin, right? Like we all know the different reasons on why we decided to come to cryptocurrency and buy Bitcoin, but why people just go out and throw their hard-earned Bitcoin money, whatever it is you want to call it, out at any particular cryptocurrency altcoin, I'm not really sure on. And actually, I do know the reason on it. And it's just really poor people looking to make a lot of money quick, and then greed. That's really all it is, because now you have millions, if not billions of dollars in the industry that gets thrown at all of these different meme coins, right? And you have people that's making money. Yes, that is, don't get me wrong. But while there's a small, yes, I'll call it a small majority that are making money while this is going on, there's an even larger section of investors who are in cryptocurrency that are losing money with these meme coins as well. So now, like I was mentioned previously, I'm a true component of when you go out and say, hey, this is a cryptocurrency altcoin that I want to invest in, right? It's going to be very important for you to do your research. And when I do my research, if I can't come to a point where it's like, I understand the long-term use case for this cryptocurrency, I think that use case, will be important to the industry, I am not going to invest in it. So that's one big mistake that I see a lot of newbies actually making. They'll just throw something in it for the hype, which actually leads me into my next thing that I see a lot of mistakes on is you have a lot of the audience here on YouTube. They will bounce from person to person, YouTuber to YouTuber, strategy to strategy, right? And I really feel the reason why they jump strategy to strategy is because of the different YouTubers that they're listening to, right? Instead of sticking to one person, like you find one person on YouTube that you feel you understand their strategy, you feel that you can learn from them, right? Instead of sticking to one person and truly building with them, they will hop person to person, which causes them to hop strategy to strategy. And in return, they end the year in the exact same spot in which that they started, as opposed to now taking a tad bit of a different approach. Like, I was in those shoes at one point inside of my journey. It helped me to go ahead and break away from that when I really started to take the industry, just a tad bit more serious, because I broke away from finding different people that mentor and different strategies, and really started to focus on really learning the industry, learning how to invest my money, how to pick them. And as far as day trading goes, I went on my own self journey into learning TA, learning how to trade, learning my own different strategies, taking the time out of my life to go ahead and back test them. And then now, through all of that different information that I gathered, it made me a way better trader. It made me a profitable trader. When I knew I didn't need anyone's trading group, I didn't need anyone's mentorship. I could tune social media, I can tune YouTube out 100%, just go into TradingView, look at my charts, and I know what I want to buy and sell. That was a life-changing thing for me, and I think you have a lot of people coming into the industry and they really are looking for things to be easy and done for them, as opposed to taking the time out and learning things and then going out there and hunting, for yourself. If it wasn't for social media, YouTube, or anything like that, I will be 100% honest, you would have way less people trading, right? You would have way less people that lost their money in the industry because they shouldn't have really been in the industry in the first place. Another thing is going to be patience and playing the long game. Like, I know a lot of you have these very ambitious goals for 2025. And I don't mean to be the one to burst your bubble, but the honesty of it all is that it's gonna potentially take a little bit more time than just 2025, especially when we're talking about a newbie coming on the path of looking to become a day trader, or just looking to become an investor into, the cryptocurrency industry, right? I personally find in cryptocurrency, it really takes 2 cycles for someone to really elevate their portfolio to the point where, it's actually life-changing. Now, when we consider 2 cycles in the cryptocurrency industry, that's 8 whole years, right? A lot of you are probably like, what the heck, running off scared, because most of the people that I've spoke to inside of my consultations, when you talk about a 5 to 10 year plan with them, for some reason, they get shooken up just due to the fact of they had a different expectation and they were looking for money and things to come to them just a tad bit quicker, right? And don't get me wrong, there will be certain opportunities, there will be certain things that creates an opportunity for you to make money within a year, right? But when you get into the habit of things like that always coming, it gets you into the wrong mindset of being an investor and a day trader, just due to the fact that things aren't always like that. It comes in waves, it comes in cycles, right? So now, if you're only prone to getting wins like that, it really sets a bad precedence for when it comes to the true reality of things. So all newbies, when I sit down with them and I do consultations, we're not always focused on this year. We're really looking to set a battle plan for 3 to 5 years, and then we move into an even bigger plan that consists of setting the framework for something 5 to 10 years down the road. So that's basically going to wrap up my main tips for all of the newbies out there. And there are, some more things, but I don't really want to make this video, too long. I definitely will recommend any newbies out there watching, down below this video in the description, you will find my website, you will find some contact information. If you're someone looking for a great mentor, I do have services available, so you could definitely go ahead and check that out. But all of those different reasons that I've mentioned here in this video, I would definitely consider to be the top reasons. If you can navigate those and really understand them and get your head around them, they're going to be some of the top factors that, as long as you can navigate around those, you're going to have very successful 2025 into 2026. You will see some explosive gains within inside of your portfolio, and everything will be great. But should you not have a great risk management plan, and should you not be able to get around those tips that I mentioned, you might have just a tad bit of a tough time within your journey. So I am going to leave this video here. Like always, get subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.